Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the calendar app. This is where you'll remove the recurring series. Once you tap any instance of the repeating event, make sure you view the event detail screen so you can edit. You'll see time, repeat settings, and an edit button. Tap Edit Now. Doing this first gives you control over the series versus a single occurrence, which is critical for choosing the correct deletion option in the next step. Once in Edit, scroll to the Repeat field to confirm how the event repeats, weekly, monthly, or custom. Tap Delete Event at the bottom. Calendar presents options like Delete this event, Delete all future events, or Delete all events. Choose Delete all events to remove every occurrence or all future events if you want to keep past entries. Confirm your selection. Once done, the app removes the chosen range and updates shared calendars if applicable, so others see the change. After confirming the deletion, go back to the calendar view and inspect the date range to ensure the series is gone from the correct calendar. If this event was on an iCloud or subscribed calendar, make sure your other devices reflect the change. Syncing can take a moment. If the event still appears, toggle Calendar Sync Off and On in Settings or sign out and back into the account. This forces a resync. If problems continue, check the original calendar source or contact the event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.